Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, let's get started with the show with the top headlines of the day. Ranveer completes 10 years in Bollywood and looks back as he races ahead to superstardom. Salman's first look as a sick cop in Antim revealed. It's sending his fans into a frenzy. Aditya Narayan reveals the jaw-dropping price of his new apartment. Anil Kapoor issues an apology after the Indian Air Force takes objection to scenes from AK vs AK. Ranveer Singh has completed a decade in Bollywood, and the actor who made a crackling debut with Band Baja Baarat has gone through several highs and lows before becoming a bona fide superstar with tremendous mass appeal and also critical acclaim. लेकिन जितने पॉपुलर वो अपने ऑन स्क्रीन कैरेक्टर्स के लिए हैं, उतने ही अनोखे और अतरंगी वो ऑफ स्क्रीन भी है. When Ranveer Singh made his debut 10 years ago, people were initially apprehensive to see an unconventional-looking actor like him play a leading man. लेकिन through his hard work and determination, Ranveer आज बॉलीवुड के सबसे bankable stars में से एक है. वो सबसे अलग है और इस बात को वो बहुत ऑनेस्टी के साथ एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. Now, whether it's his out-of-the-box styling sense or fashion sense or gregarious personality, Ranveer has never shied away from being himself and showing just how much the love of his fans means to him. Ranveer began his career with the fun and offbeat Band Baja Baarat opposite the relatively new Anushka Sharma and tasted stardom with back-to-back Sanjay Leela Bhansali films Goliyon Ki Ras Leela, Ram Leela and Bajirao Mastani. While these movies cemented his position as a star who could deliver mass hits at the box office, रणवीर ने अपने एक्टिंग स्किल्स और वर्सेटिलिटी को शो किया दिल धड़कने दो, लुटेरा और गली बॉय जैसी फिल्मों के साथ. In addition to being a successful actor, Ranveer has also crafted a distinct identity for himself off-screen. While many find his OTT style of dressing a bit puzzling, रणवीर का कहना है कि वो हमेशा से ही थोड़े अतरंगी थे और conventionally dress करना उन्हें restrictive लगता है. Honestly, I didn't set out thinking I would change the fashion landscape. It just so happened that when I started becoming more authentic in my choices, after 2 or 3 years in show business, I was growing tired of being inauthentic to myself. रणवीर का कहना है कि बचपन से उन्हें experimental looks try करने की आदत थी. And even in school, he consciously made bold choices when it came to his clothes and appearance. More than anything, I do it for my own amusement. I'm always attracted to original, distinctive and unique expression when it comes to style and fashion, Ranveer adds in his interview. The actor has a huge fan following with people loving his acting skills and energetic on-screen and off-screen presence. अपने widespread appeal के बारे में बात करते हुए, Ranveer remembers that it was Aditya Chopra who first advised him to engage with people and win their love by revealing aspects of his own personality to them. उनकी ये सीख रणवीर ने हमेशा याद रखी and is grateful for all the adulation coming his way. I deeply appreciate it when someone shows me love or adulation. I love meeting and interacting with people and love to exchange energies with them. When people show me love, I am compelled to give that love back, pay it forward and multiply it. Ranveer, who spent several months of the lockdown with his wife Deepika Padukone, is back to work now, dubbing for his film Jayesh Bhai Jordar and filming for Circus, which will be directed by Rohit Shetty. ये भाई हैं या पंजाब के गबरू जवान, ये बताना मुश्किल है. Salman's brother-in-law Ayush Sharma shared the first look of Salman as a sick man, और भाईजान के फैंस उनकी एक्साइटमेंट को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. After an extended break during the lockdown, Bollywood के भाईजान Salman Khan is back to facing lights, camera and action. After completing the last few portions of his film Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai, which was to release in Eid this year, Salman has begun work on his next project, Antim: The Final Truth, which stars his brother-in-law Ayush Sharma as a gangster opposite Salman's sick cop Avatar. Now, looks like Salman Khan अपने brother-in-law के career को salvage करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And here's hoping that ये उनकी अंतिम कोशिश ना हो. Antim: The Final Truth is being directed by Mahesh Manjrekar and is a remake of the Marathi film Mulshi Pattern. While there was some debate कि सलमान को महाराष्ट्रियन कॉप प्ले करना चाहिए या सरदार, it looks like the Dabangg star has opted for a pan-India appeal and perhaps a safer box office bet, choosing to play a Sikh cop. आमिर, सैफ और अक्षय कुमार के बाद अब सलमान खान will be the next A-list star to play a Sikh man in Bollywood. According to reports, filming began in mid-November, but superstar Salman Khan ने हाल ही में ही अंतिम की टीम को ज्वाइन किया है. The actor's first look as a Sikh man was revealed by his brother-in-law Ayush Sharma, who shared a video on his social media page. वीडियो में सलमान स्लो मोशन में चलते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं. And the video captures Salman's muscular physique and trademark swag. अपने माचो अंदाज में चलते हुए सलमान सेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं and the camera soon moves ahead to reveal his complete look, which includes his turban, kada, dark glasses and a silver chain जिस पे सिखिज्म से related symbol का pendant है. The actor, who is looking fitter than ever before, and even through his simple outfit of a full-sleeve shirt and trousers, his muscular frame and natural style and charisma can't be concealed. Captioning Salman's look reveal video, Ayush wrote, "Antim begins. Hashtag Bhai's Antim first look. Hashtag Antim the final truth." Not surprisingly, fans showered love appreciation on the video and seemed super excited to see the film. सुनने में आया है कि दबंग और वांटेड के बाद सलमान इस फिल्म में भी एक कॉप का रोल प्ले करेंगे, who is out to arrest a gangster played by Ayush Sharma. According to sources, Salman plays a no-nonsense Sikh cop who is on a mission to end gang wars and land mafia in his area of jurisdiction. Aditya Narayan has recently moved into his 10.5 crore apartment with Puppy. In case you're wondering who that is, Puppy Aditya Narayan की वाइफ श्वेता का adorable nickname है. Singer and TV host Aditya Narayan married his fashion designer bae Shweta Agarwal in a private ceremony with just family and close friends attending. Aditya, who started his career as a child artist, has been saving for years to buy a 5-bedroom apartment in Andheri that he will now share with Shweta, who has been his one and only for the past 11 years. But just when we thought this couple couldn't get any cute, they did. Aditya Narayan has shared in an earlier interview that वो अपने पेरेंट्स के घर के पास ही एक दूसरा अपार्टमेंट खरीद रहे हैं. Aditya had shared that he has purchased a 5-bedroom apartment for himself and his wife, and the two have been busy decorating their new home and converting it into a home for the two of them to share. There were reports earlier that the cost of the house is 4 crores, which itself is a huge amount. लेकिन जब उनसे इसके बारे में पूछा गया, Aditya revealed the real cost of the flat, which left us a little breathless. Aditya ने अपने ड्रीम होम के कॉस्ट के बारे में फैक्ट्स क्लियर करते हुए रिवील किया that he has spent a whopping 10.5 crores on his new home. Aditya, who was really amused by the amount which was earlier mentioned in the article, said, "So little? Market price kam likh di. It actually cost me 10.5 crores." Aditya added that वो बचपन से काम कर रहे हैं और पैसे कमा रहे हैं. सिंगर होने के साथ साथ वो एक बहुत पॉपुलर टीवी एंकर भी है. And after working and saving for decades, he was finally able to afford this dream home. While the couple has planned 3 mini honeymoons to match Aditya's work commitments, they are currently enjoying married life at home and setting up their sapno ka ghar as a couple.
इसमें कोई कसर नहीं होनी चाहिए।
क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए?
इसमें कोई कसर नहीं होनी चाहिए।
अच्छा।
जाओ अपने ससुराल वालों के पास।
ससुराल वाले के पास
अरे मायके, जाओ अपने मायके। क्या यार डायलॉग याद करके
जाओ अपने ससुराल वाले के पास।
अच्छा पढ़ना चाहिए।
ससुराल वाले।
While we do know the couple's love story now and details of how they met and fell in love, what we didn't know is that Aditya has a really cute nickname for his dear wife. Aditya अपनी wife को बहुत ही cute nickname से बुलाते हैं. And this revelation was made when the couple gave an interview together after their marriage. बातचीत के दौरान आदित्य अपने और श्वेता की अलग पर्सनैलिटीज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. And Aditya mentioned that Shweta wants to do organic farming next, which is something he is interested in as well. The cute slip happened when Aditya, responding to a comment by Shweta, said, "Puppy, do what you like." Well, प्यार ऐसा ही है, छुपाए नहीं छुपता. Here's wishing lots of luck in your new home, and we hope it brings you all the happiness in the world.
My character in the film is in uniform because he's an actor playing the role of an officer. When he finds out that his daughter has been kidnapped, the anger and rage he experiences and portrays is that of an emotionally distraught father. It was only in the interest of remaining true to the story that my character is still wearing the uniform on his quest to find his missing daughter.
Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap's upcoming film AK vs AK has landed in trouble after the Indian Air Force took objection to Anil Kapoor wearing an Indian Air Force uniform and using foul language while wearing the uniform. It was only recently that the Indian Air Force took objection to the depiction of discrimination and sexism within the armed forces in the film Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl. And now it seems that AK vs AK has also struck a raw nerve with them. The movie will see Anil Kapoor and Anurag Kashyap in their fictionalized characters of themselves. Now, according to the trailer, the fictional Anurag Kashyap kidnaps Sonam Kapoor and then films Anil Kapoor searching for her in real time. But then why is Anil Kapoor in a controversial uniform? Take a look. The trailer of the film that dropped recently has become immensely popular thanks to its unusual storyline and semi-documentary style shot taking. But soon after the trailer launched, trouble began for the makers of the film, with the Indian Air Force raising an objection with Anil Kapoor wearing an Air Force officer's uniform in the film and using foul language that is demeaning to those serving the nation. In the promotional clip they have found objectionable, Anil Kapoor is seen abusing Anurag's character and then performing to one of his hit songs in a seemingly drunk condition. Indian Air Force ने इस वीडियो को शेयर करते हुए अपनी पोस्ट में लिखा, "The AIF uniform in this video is inaccurately donned and the language used is inappropriate. This does not conform to the behavioral norms of those in the armed forces of India. The related scenes need to be withdrawn." Given the sensitivity of the matter, streaming platform ने तुरंत apology issue की and offered an explanation about why Anil Kapoor is seen in an Air Force uniform and in what context he uses the unparliamentary language. The streaming platform also clarified that it was never their intent to offend the Indian Air Force. Our intention would never be to disrespect the armed forces of India in any regard. AK vs AK is a film in which Anil Kapoor and his co-stars are playing themselves as actors. At no point does the film represent the Indian Air Force or our armed forces. We have nothing but the highest respect for the brave people protecting our nation. Actor Anil Kapoor also shared a video on his microblogging page and offered a sincere apology for unintentionally hurting the sentiments of the Indian Air Force. The actor also explained कि उनका कैरेक्टर अपनी बेटी के किडनैप होने की वजह से परेशान है और इसीलिए कुछ अब्यूजिव वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करता है. Anil ji also added that he has immense respect for the Indian Air Force and फिल्म में उन्होंने Air Force को डिमीन करने के इंटेंट से कुछ भी नहीं किया.
I would like to sincerely offer my humble apologies for unintentionally hurting anyone's sentiments. I just like to supply some context to hopefully help you understand how things came to be this way. My character in the film is in uniform because he's an actor playing the role of an officer. When he finds out that his daughter has been kidnapped, the anger and rage he experiences and portrays is that of an emotionally distraught father. It was only in the interest of remaining true to the story that my character is still wearing the uniform on his quest to find his missing daughter. It was never my intent or the intent of the filmmakers to disrespect the Indian Air Force. I've always had the utmost respect and gratitude for the selfless service of all our defense personnel. And so, I truly apologize for unintentionally hurting anyone's sentiments.
Whether the Air Force withdraws its objections or allows the makers to release the entire film before revisiting its concerns remains to be seen. Actor Sonu Sood's charitable efforts have received a special recognition. The actor has been named the #1 South Asian celebrity in the world by a UK-based weekly paper, honoring him for the tremendous efforts he took to help people during the pandemic and lockdown.
सोनू भाई की उम्र लंबी करे अल्लाह ताला और उनको दिन दुनी रात चौगनी और अच्छा से अच्छा रखे, उनको हर बला हर मुसीबत से बचाए भाई को.
सोनू सूद में प्ले द बैडी ऑन स्क्रीन, लेकिन इस पैंडेमिक और लॉकडाउन के दौरान वो एक सच्चे हीरो साबित हुए. Sonu has gone above and beyond to help people, whether it's organizing buses to take people home or providing the needy with medicines or even a tractor. सोनू एक फरिश्ते की तरह जरूरतमंदों की मदद कर रहे हैं. Sonu Sood, who continues to help those who contact him via social media, began his charitable efforts soon after the lockdown began many months ago. उन्होंने कई बसेस ऑर्गेनाइज की स्ट्रैंडेड माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स को अपने घर भेजने के लिए. He set up a helpline, had workers airlifted from states where they were stranded, and even covered costs of surgeries and medical expenses. जब भी जरूरत पड़ी, जिसने भी सोनू से मदद मांगी, the actor made sure कि उन लोगों को मदद पहुंचे. In recognition of his tremendous and selfless service towards his fellow citizens, उन्हें #1 South Asian celebrity in the world के अवार्ड से नवाजा गया है. This list of celebrities recognizes and celebrates all those artists जिन्होंने अपने काम से लोगों पे पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट किया या उन्हें इंस्पायर किया. Reacting to this honor, सोनू ने कहा, As the pandemic broke, I realized it was my duty to help my countrymen. It was an instinct that came from within. It was my responsibility as an Indian, which I did. I think all the love of the people which I received was simply their wishes and prayers. Once again, I won't stop till my last breath, he said. The organizers of this honor also complimented Sonu's efforts and said कि जब सोनू ने लोगों की मदद करना शुरू किया तो ये लोगों को लगा कि एक बॉलीवुड स्टार गरीबों की मदद कर रहा है. But over a period of time, his sustained efforts and commitment to helping others became a spectacular philanthropic mission. Whether it was paying for surgeries, donating food, setting up scholarships, campaigning for women's rights, or buying a new tractor for a farmer, Super Sonu helped in countless ways in 2020. But it seems that Sonu has made a huge personal sacrifice to support all his charitable efforts. सुनने में आया है that सोनू ने अपनी जुहू की 8 प्रॉपर्टीज को मॉर्गेज करके अपनी चैरिटेबल एफर्ट्स के लिए 10 crore rupees रेज किए हैं. These properties belong to him and his wife Sonali. And according to a report, Sonu took a loan against his assets to continue his charitable efforts. This is indeed a deeply moving gesture by the actor, who has continued his efforts long after his colleagues stopped theirs. सोनू की जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए वो कम है। प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज़ ब्रेक के बाद भी बाकी है बहुत कुछ खास। हुस्न है सुहाना का 2020 version from a remake of the 1995 original film Coolie Number 1 has now been released, and we are really enjoying how much fun Varun and Sara seem to have had while dancing to this peppy number. The original track, which featured Govinda and Karisma Kapoor, remains an all-time 90s classic. लेकिन वरुण और सारा के मिलेनियल लटके झटके भी कुछ कम नहीं है। कूली नंबर 1 or shall we say 2 is an official remake of the 1995 film that starred Govinda playing a character Raju, who is a coolie and falls in love with Karisma's character Malti and cons her into marrying him. While the 2020 version seems to be following the plot of the original, as far as the conning goes, whether a Judwa angle will be thrown in to add a new twist to the plot remains to be seen. In the meanwhile, Varun and Sara अपनी कमरिया बड़े मजे से twist कर रहे हैं to the peppy number हुस्न है सुहाना, which has been included in the new version of the film with few changes. Take a look. The original Husn Hai Suhana, which was picturized on two great dancers, Chi-Chi yani Govinda and Karisma Kapoor, saw the two stars dancing in typical 90s fashion with lots of background dancers, outlandish sets and multiple costume changes with larger-than-life wigs and hair pieces for Karisma. गाना काफी एनर्जेटिक और एंगेजिंग है और कोई भी 90s kids इस गाने पे बिना डांस किए बड़ा नहीं हुआ है। When the trailer of Coolie Number 1 dropped a few weeks ago, people were excited to see that popular songs from the original movie like Husn Hai Suhana and मैं तो रस्ते से जा रही थी seem to be a part of the 2020 version as well. ट्रेलर के बाद the first song released was तेरी भाभी खड़ी है. And now, after a lot of anticipation, Husn Hai Suhana 2.0 has also dropped and been viewed 5 million times already on a video posting platform. Unlike the original song where the couple seems to be dancing in a dream sequence that Govinda is imaging, यहाँ वरुण और सारा एक दूसरे के साथ कमरे में रोमांस करते हुए ये गाना गा रहे हैं। The two seem to have really let their hair down and had a blast, completely surrendering to the 90s vibe with over-the-top dance steps and expressions that remind one of the original songs without directly copying the steps or style of filming. Original गाने को makers ने बहुत कम modifications के साथ use किया है, so that fans of the song don't complain about being sung differently or remixed too much. Varun, who has been a part of Judwa 2, seems completely at ease, लेकिन सारा ने भी उनका खूब साथ दिया है. One can't help but notice how she has taken inspiration from Karisma's style of dancing and emoting while staying true to herself. एक इंटरव्यू में सारा ने कहा था, Everyone I know has listened to, enjoyed and danced on Husn Hai Suhana. It truly was an overwhelming feeling and a dream come true when I found out I would get to feature in the reprised version of this song. Both Varun and Sara have also said कि वो गोविंदा और करिश्मा को कॉपी करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं. And while comparisons between the two lead pairs are inevitable given how iconic both Chi-Chi and Karisma are, this young couple is sure to set dance floors on fire as well. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. You guys stay home and stay safe.